This video will go over how to do correctives for multiple choice questions. When you get your test back, you'll see something that looks like this screen capture. When you miss a question, it will be in red. There'll be an X next to it, and also it will tell you how many points the question was worth. It will tell you which one you missed and what the correct answer is. These are going to be the easiest ones to do, although maybe a little more time consuming. What you want to do with multiple choice, and as you'll see later in this presentation, matching, is you want to incorporate the correct answer in with the question in order to write a complete sentence. So for instance, stock prices first began to decline in late 1929 because, and the correct answer is investors began to sell their stock. When doing the correction, you'll just simply incorporate these into one sentence. And it's pretty easy because you have that ellipses in the back, so you could just plug this in. Stock prices first began to decline in the late 1929 because investors began to sell their stock. That would be the first part of your corrective. The second part of your corrective would be why you missed it. So this student answered, several companies went bankrupt. So when I see this, I assume that maybe the student read this as an effect, that they went too quickly through the question. So their corrective would be, I misread the question. I thought it was asking for an effect instead of a cause. That is a substantial explanation as to why you missed it. When you go through this presentation and you get to the section of submission, I'll go into more detail as to what I will and will not accept for explanations as to why you missed certain questions.